How much will 100 near protocol be worth in 2025? In this video I will answer this question and share my price prediction for 2025 with long and short term analysis, and we'll have potential price targets and potential buy zones for near protocol to make maximum profits. So let's go straight into the content. Near is on place 18 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $7.2 billion. The coin is existent since 2020 and we saw the all-time high in 2022. And after we reached the all-time high, we then saw this crash to lower levels. We came all the way down into this demand zone where we saw the start of this bullish explosion. And after we tested this demand zone and saw this longer consolidation, we then started this bullish explosion to the upside. And lately we also broke this last high, and we also broke this supply zone with the weekly body close. And this supply zone is technically strong because we saw a move to lower levels, so the chance for a bigger rejection is there. But as I said, we broke this supply zone with the strong bullish momentum and closed out of the supply zone on the weekly time frame. So this is a very bullish sign for near. And the next very interesting price target is this high right here at $13.19. And if we are reaching this potential high and find acceptance over there again, then of course the last really interesting price target is the all-time high right here. So a potential move for the bull run could look like this. Of course, this is just the orientation, but after this important highs, the chance for a bigger retracement is there. And the chance that you can buy some coins in this retracement is also very nice. And the best coins are also exploding over the last all-time high. And I think near has the potential to also break its last all-time high. And to calculate the potential price target, we are using the Fibonacci tool from the swing high to the swing low. And then we are getting this potential price targets. And if we have a look at the 3.618 Fibonacci, we would have a price target of $72. And I think this kind of price target is very realistic for this bull run, because I think Near Protocol is a great project with a very high potential. And from the prices right now to this kind of price target, we would have a potential over 940%. And I think this would be an amazing deal for Near. Of course, guys, this is just the orientation from the prices right now. But I think Near Protocol is one of the best performing and most potential projects in the whole crypto space. And especially with the now approved Bitcoin spot ETF, the chance is high that much money comes into the crypto market, retailers and big institutions. And if just a small percentage flows into Near, the chance that we could reach this potential high is very high. And to answer the question from the beginning, how much will 100 Near be worth in 2025? If we would reach this potential price target of $72, then 100 Near would be worth around $7,200. And I think this would be an amazing deal for Near. So we look for potential price targets, and now we are looking for potential buy zones for Near. And as you can see, we are clearly in a bullish trend with higher lows and higher highs. And as I said, we also broke this very important supply zone to the upside. And we are also seeing this retracement to lower prices. And I think we are also right now at a very interesting area, because from this demand zone, we saw this move to higher prices. We right now came back into this demand zone, and you can see that we found some support right here. We took the liquidity resting under this low with this wicks, and then we saw this bullish move to the upside again. So I think the chances is high that you could see a bullish continuation to the upside right now. So if you're not invested in Near right now, or if you're looking for a potential long trade, I think this potential area is a great technical area to get into a long trade, especially if we now see a bullish reaction to the upside and if Bitcoin is going sideways or to even higher prices. But if we would see even lower prices again, then I would have a look at this demand zone right here. Because from this demand zone, we saw this push to the upside, we broke this last high and this supply zone. So the chance if we come back into this zone that we continue the bullish trend is very high. And especially if we see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then I think this is definitely a great technical area to get into potential long trade. And if you want to get daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like Near, then join my free Telegram group. You will find a link in the description. So all in all, guys, I'm really bullish on Near. We lately saw this breakout out of this massive supply zone, and especially with this weekly candle right here closing over this supply zone, the chance is really high that we could see even higher prices in the near future. And to answer the question again from the beginning, how much will 100 Near be worth in 2025? If we would reach this potential price target I mentioned earlier today, then 100 Near would be worth around $7,200. And I think this would be an amazing deal for Near. And I think Near Protocol is a very nice project with a very high potential. And I think the chances are that we could reach this potential price target and of course the all-time high. If we would just reach the all-time high from these prices right now, this would be an amazing increase, about 200%. And I think this would be an amazing deal for a big coin like Near, which is on place 18 of all cryptocurrencies. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.